So this is going to be probably our shortest episode we've ever done because I literally have 4 minutes. So let's see how this works out. Did you know,
What is it? Let's go.
brother? This is impressive. Did you know? So getting Google to refer you deals is a big thing.
Yeah. Oh,
Right?
yeah.
Somebody
They convert pretty
searches
high.
loan
14%,
officer,
right? Yep.
yeah, loan officer in Greensboro, North Carolina, and you pop up on Google.
Right.
Uh, that those leads for us close at about 15 to 17%, right?
Yeah.
So which is good because a referred lead runs 20 to 25%. A TikTok, Facebook lead, or a not LinkedIn, Zillow lead about 1%, give or take. So 17% is stout, right? That's something to be
Healthy
proud of.
numbers.
Dude, get this. So people always said, well, how can I get Google to, rank me higher? I'm going to give you a piece of information that I bet you didn't know because I didn't know this until 2 days ago, and it blew me away when I found it out.
Talk to me.
Did you know that Google knows how often people hit your voicemail when they dial your phone? And if you don't answer your phone,
Wow.
that loses your ranking on Google. And they put
Wow.
up on Google, they put
The
higher
people
up
that answer your phone.
people that answer your phone. Did you know that?
What? No, I didn't know that. So answer your phone.
Dude, I didn't know that
Somebody's
either.
got to answer
And
your
that's
phone.
not a wives' tale. I ran it past our dear friend Chris Johnstone. He said,
Yeah.
"Yeah, that's you didn't know that, Carl?" I said, "Hell no, I didn't know that. What do you know?
Wow.
Nobody knows that. Who the heck?"
Wow.
So Google knows how often you answer your business phone, which for most of us is our cell phone.
Yeah.
Google knows how often you answer your phone. And if you don't answer your phone, if you were ranked a little higher, just because you've been doing it for a long time, you got all these reviews or even a handful of reviews, you're getting referral, you go up on Google and your name comes up from time to time. If you don't answer your phone, you're pushed down that list.
Yeah.
And so the tip of the week, either you or somebody answer your phone.
Yep. 100%.
And if it's not you, have an answering service, have an assistant,
Somebody's
have
got to answer it.
somebody answer your phone. Isn't that interesting?
That's it. Well, that it goes back to, it's right in line with, you remember the survey that we've seen so many times where it's 79% of mortgage customers use the first lender they speak with. I mean, you put those two together, Google ranking you based on the answer and mortgage clients deciding whether they're going to work with you. uh, That is a very wise investment of your money. And it's very inexpensive to have an answering service if you're by yourself answer the phone, but somebody's got to answer it. Good stuff, man. That's a great tip.
But here's the thing, Steve. You don't understand. You
Yeah.
don't understand, Steve. I hear how many times we heard that. You don't understand, Steve. If I'm in the middle of a deal, I'm at a
Yeah.
closing, I have
Yeah.
to answer I can't answer my phone. So how do we solve how do you guys solve this problem in your branch?
Yeah, for a very minimal amount, there's an answering service that will literally answer your phone every single time, and they use our scripts on to answer it. Hey, Steve is currently helping another great family just like you. We want to move you to the front of the line, and they can even send the link for them to complete the application and get your loan consultation scheduled. And Carl, we're talking about less than $100 a month. And
Yeah.
so all you have to do is forward your phone to the answering service, and I'm not going to promote one, but there's just you just type
But
in answering
you
service.
guys help me set that up and you
hundred
point me in the right
percent, hundred
direction
percent,
and you
and
give me
it's
you give me the scripts to give to them and everything.
100%. They're
So
using my scripts and your
yeah,
scripts, and so
yeah.
it's very, very simple.
Well,
But you got to answer your phone.
my scripts are your scripts. I'm just see, you're such a
My
humble
scripts are
guy.
yours.
You're such a humble guy. So your scripts are my scripts. So
Yeah,
or no, my scripts are your scripts. Many of these originated from you. So good stuff. Hey man, again, I've said this before. You're much too humble to promote yourself. If somebody wants to get in contact with you, say, dude, you guys seem to have it going on, and you provide me assistant on day one. Your
yeah,
underwriters have an
yeah,
83% turnaround on turning the no's into yeses and getting loans approved.
yeah.
You help me get set up with somebody actually answering my phone, which helps me get even more referrals on
That's
Google.
right.
What's the best way to get in touch with you?
Yeah. Hey, just jump in my calendar. Meetupwithsteve.com. Meetupwithsteve.com. I'd love to show you what we're doing and how we can help you close even more with less headaches.
Good stuff, man.
Meetupwithsteve.com.
All right. Appreciate you,
All
buddy.
right, but see you.